China has identified the cause of the
mysterious new virus.
Coronavirus.
China is urging its citizens not to travel abroad as it struggles to contain the virus.
We will be standing.
We now have a name for the disease, COVID-19. COVID-19 can be characterized as a pandemic.
Most people infected with this virus will experience mild to moderate illnesses. There is a best way to prevent and slow down the transmission of this virus from spreading. Protect yourself and others from infection by washing hands, rubbing alcohol, and not touch your face. It is good we add wearing a face shield and face mask. However, a single-use face mask affects our nature because of improper waste disposal. The dangerous effect is the soil, water, or air contaminate that affects the health of other people. That's why we produce the Abaca face mask. It is reusable and eco-friendly product.
We will be with our families again. We will meet again.
As an entrepreneur, one of the most important tasks you can perform is getting your ideas out from your head into a tangible format so that you can communicate that with others. Canvas is a one-page business plan method created by Oshmorio, which is adapted from the business model Canvas by Alexander Osterwalder. The plan features a number of blocks to help you map out some key points that will help you turn a business idea into something more concrete. It includes the problem, solution, key metrics, unique value proposition, channels, unfair advantage, customer segments, cost structure, and revenue streams.
Problems. The existence of highly spreadable COVID-19 brings wearable safety measures such as face masks. Second, inadequate economical, environmental, and safety quality face masks. The insufficiency of surgical face masks in the market in the early period of pandemic. Third, increased usage of surgical face masks increases plastic pollution. Customer segment. In this customer segment, we also want to fully protect them. So, our first target market is the frontliner who are already fully vaccinated. Second, the workers who have experience on using eco-friendly products. Third is the rest of the Filipino citizen who from ages 18 to 45 years old and wishes to have protective gear in a more eco-friendly and fashionable way.
To solve the problem brought by increasing usage of face masks amidst of this pandemic, Abaca face mask was introduced containing 3 essential features. First, it is biodegradable and medical-grade reusable mask made from Abaca leaf fibers. According to study, the Abaca mask absorbs 3 to 5% of the total water sprayed and said that Abaca mask repels water significantly better than N95 mask and is nearly as effective as a surgical mask. Second, it decomposes within 2 months compared to surgical and N95 masks, which can help to achieve zero plastic waste. Lastly, it reduces environmental costs because it lessens global plastic catastrophe as single-use face masks are the main contributor to plastic waste as well as water pollutants that can harm the environment.
Unique value proposition sets out the unique value that your business will provide. Abaca face mask unique value proposition are as follows. Life-saving face mask crafted from Abaca leaf fibers that resist water and absorb just 3 to 5% of it. A reusable, biodegradable, potential medical-grade Abaca face mask that helps to reduce plastic waste. For its high-level concept, Abaca face masks are designed to save countless lives, as well as the environment's future. Channels are the advertising and marketing methods that the business will use to reach its customers. The Abaca face mask path to their customers are the word of mouth, user referrals, and the social media.
The revenue stream section shows how much money a business makes from each customer segment. As presented in the table, it shows that the product will be selling in the market of 125.64 pesos per unit, resulting a lifetime value of 247.77, which represent how much money the customer brings throughout their entire time as a paying customer. Then the business gross margin is 33% after incurring the direct costs connected with manufacturing the goods and services it sells.
So, I will be discussing the cost structure and key metrics. The cost structure represents all the expenses and costs that will be incurred throughout the operations of the proposed business. The proponents have prepared the estimation of the most important costs in reference to market prices, such as the cost of the materials needed as well as the office supplies and office equipment. As for the key metrics, it represents the measure that will be used by the proponents in evaluating the success of the proposed business. In our case, the key metrics will be the number of sales. The proponents have prepared the specific target sales, which is 10,000 units, and that will be our key metric for this proposed business.
First is environmental friendly or eco-friendly. Although the face masks add to the general protection of the people from the virus because of this pandemic situation, these also distribute massively towards environmental degradation, underwater pollution, and landfill pollution, demanding a biodegradable. Secondly is water resistance. The Abaca face mask repels water better than N95 mask. It can be resist the water to some degree but not entirely. Extremely safe for use.
That's all. Thank you.